Good morning, students. You are learning living longer and healthier lives. In this chapter, already you have learned the introduction of living longer and healthier lives, the clinical thermometer, the stethoscope, microscope, okay, missions that can look inside your body, surgery, and anesthesia and antibiotics. Today, you are going to learn about pasteurization and antiseptics. Okay, students, now we will see first one about pasteurization. Now, see here what is the definition of pasteurization. The pasteurization is a healthing process at a specific temperature typical below the boiling point of water for a specific period of time to kill pathogens, mainly bacteria. This pasteurization which is mainly killing the bacteria, for that only we can see student, and substantially destroy or reduce the level of spoilage microorganisms and enzymes mainly in various liquid food products including water, milk, and milk products, fruits, juice, etc. You may know, student. Now see here two steps in pasteurization process. One is, see here, okay, raw material. For example, fresh milk. You will take. See that when you will be heat that one means heating at a specific temperature for a specific time, then what will come, okay, rapid cooling, then pasteurization, the result will be, so oh, uh, at the exactly temperature what you are keeping for knowing about to pasteurization. This is a two method process. One more, see here, uh, various disease causing, okay, pathogens and spoilage microorganites are present in fresh milk. At the high temperature, proteins, okay, agency are deleterious, which help to stop the functions of cells, and hence you may know. What is the invention of or inventor of pasteurization? Who did invented pasteurization? Louis Pasteur, you may know. Who was he? He was one of the Frenchman. Now see here, the process of the pasteurization was named after the French chemist and microbiologist Louis Pasteur. When did he find? 1822 to 1895. He was, okay, lived his period, who is regarded as the founder of the study of modern microbiology. He also developed vaccination for an anthrax and rabies. You may know, student. Now see here, okay, purpose of the process. First one here, women healthy control. Second, quality control of food. First, see here, human health control to make milk and other food products safe for human consumption by destroying pathogens. Next, quality control of the food. Okay, increased shelf life, minimum physical, chemical, and sensory change. First, see here, increase the shelf life. Shelf life of the food produced can be increased by subsequently destroying undesirable enzymes such as, okay, phosphates and lipase and spoilage micrograms. Now next see here, this process does not minimal change in the physical, chemical, and sensory properties, flavor, taste, and color of the food. Like this, the quality you may know, student, you may find. Louis Pasteur, he was one of the Frenchman. He has okay, divided entirely different okay methods. Now next is here common uh, pathogens present in milk. Now here method of the pasteurization. Okay, first is here okay vat pasteurization, low temperature holding and low temperature long time, high temperature okay short time or continuously flow, ultra heat uh, treatment or you may know. Now first see here each one low temperature long time, low temperature holding pasteurization. This method will use a vat pasteurizer consisting of a jacket vat which is surrounded by the either circulate water, steam or heating cools for water steam. During the cooling process, milk is either allowed to cool in the vat or removed from the vat. Healthing temperature, for example, 60 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, if you keep, then you will get okay high temperature. Then time for at least 30 minutes you have to keep on the stove. Okay, cooling temperature you may know, for that you have to do according to this precaution. Next see here high temperature okay short time. It is also known as the continuous flow of flash pasteurization process. Flash heating milk is processed between metal plates or through pipes which are the heated on the outside by hot water. In this process, product flows on one side while the heating made hot water flows on the opposite side. While flowing under the process, the milk is heated at okay, heating temperature maximum you may know 70 degrees Celsius. In last one says 62 to 65 degrees Celsius. Okay, now it is taking only 50 minutes. That last one okay it is taking only 30 minutes. Okay, next here okay HTST is one of the most common and favorable method of the pasteurization because okay, large volumes of milk can be pasteurization at one time due to the large equipment capacity as it is a continuously process. When pasteurization begins, it allows for bottling to begin simulatory. It is a highly energy efficient process. Nutrition you may know students. Now see here HDTST high heat short time pasteurization 80 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius, 94 degrees, 96, 100 degrees Celsius. According the timing you may know. For the 89 degrees Celsius it will take okay 1 seconds you may know, but 90 degrees Celsius it may know okay 1.5 centimeters or 0.5 centimeters. 94 degrees Celsius for that 0.1 second. Okay, 96 Celsius for that 0.05 degrees Celsius. Okay, time it will take low, like that situation is happening. Next headings here ultra K temperature UHT or ultra high temperature UH. Okay, the UHT okay, okay treatment was the developed to minimum damage to milk uh, imponent caused by the in continuer. For this, you may know temperature it must have to be 30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. For this, it will take time only 1 to 3 seconds only. Ultra temperature it will take, for example, 1 to 3 seconds very quickly. Okay, for if you want to observe, if you keep water in a low flame, it will take some time. If you keep very high volume, it will take more immediately heat. Otherwise, if you use okay the milk pie etc like that na, it will give immediately heat. Why? Because is there more like result you will come quickly. So that's why ultra heated temperature is giving quickly result to the man. So cooling temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, low flame. Okay, lower you may know. Okay, next is shelf life. UHT, the milk has a typical shelf life of 6 and um, you may know 9 months uh, until opened. It will give that much periodic time, students. So like this different methods you may know. Next year HT, again UHT pasteurization milk available like this different ways. Next, temperature and time resolution. Now observe low temperature long time, high temperature short time, ultra temperature immediately. See, low temperature 60 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, high temperature 70 degrees Celsius, and ultra heat temperature 130 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. For that first low temperature it will take only 30 minutes, but high temperature it will take only 50 minutes, but all that temperature taking only 1 to 3 seconds only, students. For the cooling it is different. It is taking okay 30 minutes for the low temperature. Cooling temperature for 10 degrees Celsius it will take 30 minutes. For high temperature in cool it is taking 15 seconds, 4 degrees Celsius only, but ultra temperature it is taking 1 to 3 seconds only, 7 degrees Celsius. Like this entirely is different, you may know, students. Next, other pasteurization process. What is the other pasteurization process? You may see here. Okay, in addition to the conventional process about the method heat transfer method, other methods exist that the empty or employ, okay, uh, alternatively heating methods, no heating at all, or methods that are not generally regarded as the true pasteurization process, namely pasteurizations by, okay, irradiation, okay, microwave pasteurization, OM, like that you may know. Next is here, okay, drawbacks. It was observed that the vitamin, mainly vitamin C, thiamine, and B12 continue of milk was reduced by the pasteurization process. Okay, heat resistance, bacteria or spores cannot be destroyed by this process. It may decrease the cream level or cream value. Next, see here, student. Test for the pasteurization milk. If you will take milk, for example, if you do pasteurization, do you may get good results, students? Why? Because the this Louis Pasteur first of all has focused on the pasteurization on the milk, how the vitamin is useful to the human being, how man is getting the more vitamins through that. Then anyway, see here, uh, okay, uh, okay, alkaline pasteurization ALP active is the tested to the determine the whether milk is adequately, okay, pasteurized or whether is a contaminated with the raw milk after the pasteurization. ALP is the inactivated at slight higher time temperature conducted 7.17 degrees Celsius for at low 15 seconds. Then the those requires you may know, student. Now next heading, see here about uh, antiseptics. Okay, this one you may observe in different labs. How is it? If we see in lab, many different scientists they are finding for the antiseptics methods. You see here, students, different germs which are there in our body. Okay, sometimes we are getting uh, different septics also. Okay, anyway, listen carefully. First, Joseph Lenner is invited this method. Okay, a surgeon lived about 150 years ago. At that time, he was surgery was new and many Participants died after the operations due to the infections of the wounds. Lehner tried several methods of controlling the infections without the success. Then he started the pesters, finding about the germs. He realized that the germs caused the infections in the wounds and started looking for a method to kill the germs. He tried a chemical called carbonic acid. He sprayed carbonic acid in the air, washed his hands, instruments, and the participants' skin with it before the performing an operation. Okay, students, observe carefully how this method you may know for removing germs on our body. For that, taking some precautions, how we can reduce this bacteria in our body. Why? Because some bacteria are good. Uh, who did say? Yes, break down according that organic matter, okay, nitrogen fixation used to make foods. For that you observed. Okay, anyway, maybe you observed some bacteria cause disease, but some bacteria are used for the good for purpose. Okay, some example of this you observed here. The death due to the infection came down dramatically. Joseph Lehner had discovered the first antiseptic, a chemical that kills germs. Who did he invited? Joseph Lehner is invited first antiseptic method for the cleaning or for the removing for the okay getting good health for removing germs. He invited. Already you know about germs, okay, or Joseph Lehner, who was okay started for finding the antiseptic method. Why? Because on our body sometimes okay that wounds is not reducing, is not curing immediately, because okay germs or bacteria are there. So for that removing that bacteria, which method is good, that method we have to follow. Those days many persons tried a chemical cells carbonic acid for finding that all that. So like this different okay things they used, okay, automatical carbon agents which are the useful for the okay removing germs and bacteria from on our body. You know some germs are good, some bacteria are good, okay, giving us good health, but all bacteria are not good, student. Some are very very dangerous, you may know. So anyway, okay, you observe incubator, incubator, if you keep there, okay, incubator 24 hours, the result you may see entirely different. How germs will be okay remove. See here, blue is the loan you may observe here. Okay, at the place if you keep all germs or bacteria on one place, how many is died, how many is not died, you can do some through the exercise. Anyway, Joseph Lehner okay invited the first anti septic method for the killing germs and bacteria. Okay, students, this is most important. About more antiseptics methods you may learn from your science teacher in science subject. Only for the knowing about this living longer and healthier lives, how we have to live long days, how we have to live healthy life. For that only, if you have learned in this chapter, especially, okay, thermometer, stethoscope, microscope, okay, missions that can look inside your body, for example x-ray, scanner, MRI, okay, ultrasound, CAT, etc., and surgery and anesthesias and antibiotics and vaccinations, pasteurization, and you are learning pasteurization and antiseptics. Next, last heading, C students, keeping healthy. Okay, germs which are bacteria which are there on our body, which is affecting getting some healthy problems. For that, we have to do such kind of, okay, cares. See, okay, germs cause several diseases, isn't it or not? Yes. So we have to take some precautions. Many diseases are also caused if we do not eat a proper diet. We can remain healthy by following simple rules which take care of the two factors. See, whatever maybe you are eating, students, you have to take okay, healthy food for the good health. Okay, it is very tasty, so if you eat more, okay, you can't digest that one, so you can't to, okay, control, okay, your digestion system. See, first here, eat good nutritious food which gives the body all the nutrition is need. Okay, what are the nutritions which are there good for your body support? You have to eat and get good health, students. And see here, keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Wherever you are living, at the place, you must have to keep clean properly. If you will not keep your surroundings properly, yes, some diseases will come. Why? Because drainage is there properly, then you will not get good, okay, any diseases. But if drainage is there and that smell is coming, so different germs and bacteria will fall on your body, then you will get some of the different diseases you want to get. Yes, for that reducing, you must have to be focused and keep your body clean by having a bath with soap and with water every day. Use water, good water for taking bathing, as well as use soap also, okay, for cleaning your body. If you not take bathing properly, from your body smell will come, anybody will not like you. Okay, somebody are not taking bathing and using okay, some sprays, that perfumes and coming na, who are using spray and perfume, no, exactly maybe 100% they will not take bath. Okay, that is most example. Somebody are taking bath and they are also using perfumes, etc., but their face glowing is there entirely different. But who are not taking bathing properly na, their face entirely is there different. Why? Because they are only using attar, like this perfumes, etc. Why? Because the lazy fellows wake up in 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. If you are a good man, if you are a good student, you must have to wake up at early morning 5 o'clock. You have to pray God and to prepare yourself and clean your all things properly, your surrounding, take bath and study well, do all complete homeworks, and come to school exactly on time. That is the method. So whenever you are there, you must have to be careful. Okay, students, you have learned in this chapter how, okay, living longer, how we have to live long days, how we have to live, okay, good health, means healthier lives. For that, what we have to do, what we have to take treatments. Okay, if you have, okay, cold, fever, immediately you have to go to hospital and get treatment. The doctor will use thermometer and will say, and if you have health more problem, you use stethoscope. If you have any problems, like you can do some urine test through the microscope. If you have any that fractures etc, you use x-rays. Like that, you all things you have learned this chapter, student. Anyway, you have to read properly this all chapter one time. That is your homework. What is your homework? Read this chapter properly and get good knowledge about okay, living longer and healthier lives. Okay, friends, bye. We will meet in online section.